Want to keep your eyesight strong not just for 10 years, but for decades to come? Eat this before bed, and wake up to noticeably stronger eyes. Like millions of others, you may be spending a fortune on glasses, supplements, and expensive treatments, while clinics and big pharma keep getting richer. But what if the real secret to protecting and even restoring your vision isn't a pill or surgery, but something already sitting in your own kitchen? Most of us have been told that blurry nights, dry, scratchy eyes, and cloudy mornings are just part of getting older. That's simply not true. The reason I care so much is because losing your vision doesn't just blur what you see, it slowly steals your independence. And my mission here is simple: to give you clear, science-backed steps you can actually start using tonight. In this video, I'll walk you through 8 powerful foods, ranked from least to most effective, along with the best times and ways to eat them so your eyes can begin repairing themselves while you sleep. First up, sweet potatoes. A food almost no one connects with eye health. At first glance, they might seem like just another starchy side on your dinner plate. But the truth is, sweet potatoes are one of the most powerful vision-boosting foods you can eat, especially for protecting your eyesight at night. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which your body naturally converts into vitamin A. And this specific form of vitamin A is exactly what your eyes rely on while you sleep to stay strong and healthy. Just a single serving can supply more than enough fuel for the delicate cells in your retina, helping you see clearly in low light and easing the strain that so often comes with aging eyes. When you eat sweet potatoes in the evening, their nutrients move through your system and reach your eyes right as your body begins its natural repair cycle during deep sleep. For the biggest benefit, enjoy them baked or steamed with the skin on, since that's where much of the nutrition is concentrated. Skip the microwave, it can strip away much of the natural goodness in sweet potatoes. Here's a small but powerful tip. Adding just a teaspoon of healthy fat, like coconut oil or grass-fed butter, helps your body absorb beta-carotene far more effectively. Aim for 1 medium sweet potato about 90 minutes before bed. Not only will you enjoy a warm, soothing snack, but you'll also be giving your eyes the fuel they need to recharge overnight. Second on the list, wild-caught salmon. And this one is truly a game-changer for your eyes. This fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and a rare antioxidant called astaxanthin. Together, they act like fuel and protection for your vision. In fact, the retina in your eyes is built largely from fatty acids, so feeding it the right kind makes a huge difference. And more than half of those fatty acids are DHA, the exact form of omega-3 that's abundant in salmon. During sleep, your body uses DHA to restore and rebuild the delicate photoreceptor cells that let you see clearly. So by eating salmon in the evening, you're providing your eyes with the raw materials they need to repair and strengthen themselves while you rest. On top of that, astaxanthin acts like a shield, protecting your eyes from blue light stress caused by TVs, phones, and even bright streetlights at night. But here's the key: always go for wild-caught salmon, not farmed. Wild salmon naturally contains much higher levels of both omega-3s and astaxanthin, making it far more powerful for protecting and strengthening your vision. How you prepare salmon also makes a big difference. To protect its delicate fats, bake a fillet at a low temperature, around 325 degrees, for about 12 to 15 minutes. Add just a pinch of turmeric and black pepper to boost its natural anti-inflammatory power. For the best balance, pair it with something gentle like quinoa or brown rice, which helps keep your blood sugar steady through the night. Eating about 4 ounces of wild-caught salmon roughly 2 hours before bed is a simple, delicious way to boost your overall health, and give your eyes exactly what they need to heal and stay sharp while you sleep. Now, food number 3, goji berries. This is another powerful food that often gets overlooked, yet it can work wonders for your vision. These tiny red berries may look ordinary, but they're packed with nutrients that directly support your vision, especially the part of your eye responsible for sharp, central sight. Goji berries are actually the richest natural source of zeaxanthin you can find. And this powerful compound protects your macula, the part of your eye that allows you to read, drive, and recognize faces with clarity. Zeaxanthin also works like a pair of natural sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light from screens and bright lamps that would otherwise strain and damage your eyes over time. What's even more fascinating about goji berries is how effective they are when eaten in the evening. At night, your body absorbs their nutrients more efficiently, So having them before bed gives your eyes the best chance to use those compounds during their natural repair cycle while you sleep. So as you can see, nature has provided some truly powerful foods that quietly go to work on your eyes while you sleep. And by choosing them in the evening, you're not just enjoying a healthy snack, you're giving your vision the tools it needs to stay sharp for years to come. Just imagine waking up with clearer vision, less strain, and the confidence that your eyes are staying strong as you age. That's the real gift these foods can offer, if you give them a chance. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll be sharing even more natural, science-backed ways to keep your body strong and your mind sharp well into your golden years. And if you're ready to keep going right now, just click the next video that's appearing on your screen. It's filled with powerful tips that can start transforming your health and energy as soon as tonight. Until then, take care of your eyes, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and tap that like button, it really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you'll never miss future videos. I'd also love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.